back to my channel. It's your girl Jay Travels, and I'm back with another video. So basically this video is just going to be kind of like a what I do on my layover type of video. I'm in Key West, Florida. I landed about 10:50 this morning, and my report time is not until 6:33 tomorrow, so I'm going to be here all day. I absolutely love this layover already. This is my first time coming to Key West, Florida, and coincidentally I lay over again here tomorrow, so I spend the whole weekend in Key West. I just have to work the flight back tomorrow from Key West to Atlanta and then back to Key West. So I will give you guys a quick room tour, and then I'm gonna be on my way, and I'm gonna do some vlogging so you guys can see how this layover went. Okay, so when you walk in, this is what it looks like. That's just my tote bag right there, my badge, my shoes. So this is it, and this is me. Hi you guys. I put my bathing suit on because I'm gonna go down to the pool, and the beach is actually right across the street, so I'm definitely gonna walk over there, get some sand in my toes and all that good stuff. And then there's like a kitchenette area here. I did meal prep. There's a fridge under there. This is just the area, and there's a couch here. I don't ever sit on the couches in hotel rooms. This is a TV. And this is the bedroom area, which I already tore apart because I always check for bed bugs when I come into a hotel. Then you're gonna walk in through here, and this is the bathroom. Nice, gorgeous, tall shower. It's absolutely beautiful. And then you come this way, and this is the like toilet area that's in there. And then this is just me again. And there's like some more cabinet space over here, and then you walk right back through to the front of the room. Yeah, so there's a lot of things to do at this hotel. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I think I'm gonna go and sit by the pool for a little bit, and then I'm gonna walk across the street to the beach, because I do want to go to the beach. I have not, you guys know I'm from Jamaica, but every time I see a beach, it's just like, because I love beaches. So yeah, I'm about to go and do that right now, and I'll take you guys along with me. Oh my goodness, you guys, there are literally so many freaking lizards here. Oh my gosh. I'm on the beach, soaking it all in, just feeling the sand in my hands. It's like, I literally love coming to the beach. Someone was trying to talk me into going like parasailing, jet skiing, all that stuff, but you know, I don't want to get my hair wet, so. And the sand is actually pretty moist, so I'm guessing the tide probably came up a little bit. But yeah, it's really peaceful out here, really relaxing. hotel around 11:20, and I got to the beach around 12 o'clock. It is now 3 o'clock. I've been on the beach all day. That's a helicopter. Yeah, I've been on the beach all day. I literally fell asleep and took a 20-minute nap on the beach because it feels so good out here. Like, the sun is intense, but like there's a cool breeze, so it feels like really good outside. I'm probably gonna be on the beach all day. Like, it's beautiful out here. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm literally soaking it all in because this is a pretty senior layover out of Atlanta, so I don't really know when I'll get Key West again. Yeah, so I will update you guys on what I'm doing later. Hey guys, I am currently back in my hotel room. I got back around 4:30. It's 4:41 now. I literally was on the beach for 4 hours straight, like just enjoying it all. But I meal prepped. I had a lot of leftover Thanksgiving food, so I made myself a plate for the next 2 days. Let me show you guys right now. This is what I brought. I had some candied yams in there, oxtail, some ham, some pasta, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat that. I probably might not eat the whole thing, but I just want to eat. I'm so hungry. I wanted to actually enjoy my food outside, but I didn't feel like walking all the way back down there. Literally our rooms are like on the completely opposite side of the hotel, and I don't feel like walking all the way downstairs, so I'm just gonna enjoy my food right now. So yeah, that pretty much sums up this vlog. Now, like I told you guys earlier, I do layover in Key West again tomorrow, so if I do vlog some extra stuff, I'll go ahead and add it into the vlog. But as of right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.